The OhSoBright Premium Dishwashing Liquid is packed with high-active ingredients, meaning just one pump can tackle a sink full of dishes. Infused with real lemon juice, it's gentle on your hands too. Available in a handy 100 milliliters travel pouch, an 850 milliliters pump bottle, or refills in 1 and 5 liters. The Economy Dishwashing Liquid offers excellent cleaning power along with a refreshing lemon fragrance. If you're looking for an effective dishwashing solution at an affordable price, this is the perfect choice for you. Available in 400 milliliters and 750 milliliters bottles, as well as 1 and 5 liter refills. The new Dirty Jobs antibacterial dishwashing paste, specially designed to tackle the toughest jobs in your kitchen. It effortlessly cleans stubborn, burnt-on pots and dry grids, while its antibacterial formula effectively cuts through dirt and grease on plates, pots, and pans. Just one blob is all you need to clean a sink full of greasy dishes. Available at Saradox Factory Shop in Montague Gardens, Cape Town.